press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello guys, welcome to the Bollywood Talk Show on IWM Buzz. This is your host and host Shubhajit Ghosh, and today I have with me three people who are literally doing a lot of rangbazi. And while I say rangbazi, I mean it literally in the true sense of the term. I have today on the show Mr. Jimmy Shergill.
Hello.
It's a pleasure having you in the show, sir. I have Ms. Pruha Joshi.
Hello.
I hope I pronounced the name correctly.
That's
and
absolutely perfect.
Mr. Sushant Singh. It's a privilege having all three of you together in the same frame with
Thank
me
you, Shubhajit.
for the show. So first thing that I want to ask you, it's रंगबाज एक काफी भारी भरकम टाइटल है सर. तो आप लोगों को कितना मौका मिला रंगबाजी करने के लिए और अपना जलवा दिखाने के लिए? I'll start with you, sir.
पूरी रंगबाजी तो ट्रेलर
Full
में
on.
दिख रहा होगा पूरी रंगबाजी उन्होंने जो है वो ट्रेलरों में ही भर दी.
हाँ.
और बाकी की जो है वो 20 तारीख को शो में दिख जाएगी आपको.
The lot of fire shots that you were doing with the gun and everything. आपने पहले कभी like
हर तरह से करके देख लिया, मतलब आँख बंद करके आँख खोल के आँख आधी बंद और आधी खुली हुई सब ट्रेलर में उन्होंने डाल दिए सारी वेरिएशंस.
And ma'am, I think you're playing sir's wife in the project. So you're somebody, as far as the brief that I have, that you're somebody who has seen him transform from that, good person to that bad character, and you've seen that journey. If I'm not wrong, correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
In
the project, of course, we mean it in the project. 200% we mean in the project. So that's why I said, sir, wife and everything. So ये journey के बारे में, and you accepted that fact. In the project, that's how it's being shown that you have accepted the fact that it's like my husband has become like this, and I'm fine with that, and I understood the journey. So what do you take on playing such a character? Because when it comes to portraying that on screen, it's not really difficult. It's not really easy. So how did you shape up your mind regarding preparing for that?
In fact, I think mine is the most linear character in the show. Her take on her husband and everything has been very clear since the beginning. So she loves this person. So she doesn't have anything else in her mind than this, that I love a person, I have to support him no matter what. She knows that something bad has happened with him, it shouldn't have happened, and she knows that the path he has chosen, he shouldn't have chosen that path. But then she is a kind of a girl कि वो she'll be with him through thick and thin, and she stays with him.
इसलिए एकदम कुछ भी हो जाए पति का साथ नहीं छोड़ना. Absolutely.
इन्होंने हंसते हंसते सब निभा दिए.
That's how the Rishta should be. And sir, you were playing his friend in the movie, and I think you guys have collaborated after 9 years.
Yes.
9 years, after 9 years, you people are working together, so that's a fabulous thing in itself.
1 to 4, where we didn't have much of interaction, a couple of scenes. One scene and then the climax.
But you guys obviously knew each other, so that helped in the bonding when you were performing together?
Actually, we didn't know each other that well.
Achha.
We met, but socially we met in parties, so उतना नहीं जानते थे एक दूसरे को.
Obviously.
ऐसा uncomfortable भी नहीं थे कि बिल्कुल ही नहीं जानते.
Correct.
तो बट चूंकि आप एक्टर हैं, अभी एक्टर में आप बेस्ट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स तो दिखाना है, तो वो एक्टिंग तो आप करेंगे, बट होते होते एक दूसरे का वर्किंग स्टाइल समझते समझते एक बॉन्डिंग भी हो गई. फिर and by the time we shot some nice talky scenes, by then we had become very comfortable with each other. So वो दिखेगा आप, वो दोस्ती दिख जाएगी.
So before we wrap up the show, we have a very interesting quiz because the backdrop of the story is Rajasthan. So I have few questions about Rajasthan. So we're just going to see कि किसको कितना, and this is about रंगबाजी. So आप तीनों में से जो सबसे पहले, it's like there's no buzzer, but then जो सबसे पहले जवाब देगा, we get to see.
हम तो चूज कर लेते हैं.
अरे नहीं सर,
ये उठाना.
ऐसे नहीं चलेगा सर.
हम हेल्प कर देंगे या आप हमारी कर देना.
So the questions are very simple and easy. So the first question is, which country is to the west of Rajasthan?
Which country
is to the west of Rajasthan? Falls immediately west of Rajasthan.
Pakistan.
Perfect. तो तीनों का हो गया यहाँ पे. But I think she gave you first. What was Rajasthan formerly known as?
राजस्थान फॉर्मली नो.
Yeah, राजस्थान के पहले उसको क्या बुलाया जाता था?
उसमें शायद आप रही, आपने बोला था.
मेवाड़.
नहीं. It used to be called Rajputana. Rajputana. Yeah. Interesting trivia.
Bad student of history.
हम तो पैदा भी नहीं हुए.
Very bad student of history.
I am student.
Matter नहीं करना. It's all about having fun over here, sir. Okay, so the next question is, which of these deserts is not, which of these desert is in Rajasthan? I'll mention 4 options: Atacama, Kalahari, Kobe, and Thar. Which of them is
Thar.
in Rajasthan?
Thar.
Perfect. Again, goes to the lady. Okay, so which is the largest lake in Rajasthan? ये शायद थोड़ा difficult हो गया.
इसमें नहीं है ऑप्शन.
इसमें ऑप्शन नहीं दिया मैंने, जानबूझ के नहीं दिया मैं. We wanted some good reactions from you all.
लॉक किया जाए.
आंसर सर, आंसर क्या है? लॉक क्या करूँ?
जो सही है उसे लॉक कर दो.
You have any answer, ma'am, to this?
I am not able
Any
to
guesses
recollect
from
right
anyone,
now.
sir?
यार थोड़ा सा टाइम मिलेगा तो मैं सोच लूंगा. ध्यान में तो है लेकिन
नहीं.
उदयपुर की लेक.
नहीं सर, it's actually Sambhar Salt Lake. Sambhar Salt Lake.
Yes.
अच्छा, ये तो बिल्कुल मैं अवेयर नहीं था.
Okay, so the next question is, what is the highest point of Rajasthan? इसमें भी ऑप्शंस नहीं है.
Mount Abu.
माउंट आबू.
Again goes to the ladies.
अरे यार,
Geography, history, सब knowledge
थोड़ा-
मैडम
तो
का.
मैंने
ये तो
बोल.
मुझे ही पता है. हाँ चलो आप
उन्होंने बोल दिया सबसे पहले सर, I can't do anything.
टीम के ही हो.
हाँ, ठीक.
तीसरा थोड़ा ना आके बोल रहे हैं. यहाँ सब जी वाले हैं.
Yeah.
एक्चुअली आंसर गलत है.
हाँ.
हाईएस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ राजस्थान इज अमरपाल का घर.
That's higher than ever. Fix. Okay, so which princely state in Rajasthan had a Nawab? And I have 3 options for you, 4 options for you rather. Jaisalmer, Tonk, Bhilwara, and Churu. Which of these 4 had a Nawab?
Which one of these?
Of these 4 had a Nawab.
हाँ फिर से एक बार नाम दीजिए.
जरूर सर. Jaisalmer, Tonk, Bhilwara, and Churu.
इनमें से एक है.
इनमें से तो definitely एक है
Churu.
sir. That's my option.
शुरू.
Tonk.
Tonk. This one goes to Sushant sir.
ये भी टीम के.
सब लोग
जी
ठीक
वाले.
है.
क्योंकि यश टोंक मेरा दोस्त है.
Okay, so which river of Rajasthan is also known as Van Ki Asha? Which river of Rajasthan?
भाई गैंगस्टर्स वाला शो.
तो राजस्थान को लेके सवाल पूछ
हम इसमें
कुछ भी थोड़ा बहुत
की क्लास ले रहे हैं यार.
टीचर्स नहीं बने, नालायक स्टूडेंट बने. ये तो नालायक स्टूडेंट था. ये तो फिर भी टॉपर
सर
स्टूडेंट.
मैं बीकॉम स्टूडेंट था. मैं हिस्ट्री का.
हाँ,
Okay,
मैं
no
राजस्थान
problem.
काफी घूमा.
बता दो आप.
लेकिन
जनरल
हाँ, जी सर, जरूर.
मेरे को इतना
The answer is
आप
Banas.
करा रहे हैं.
Banas.
बानस.
Yeah.
ये नाम
सपने
पहले
में
मैंने
नहीं सोचा.
पता ही नहीं चला. कभी.
जो जितनी मेरी सीरियस छवि थी, थिंकिंग एक्टर और ये पढ़े लिखे लोग,
बर्बाद कर दी इन लोगों ने.
वो रहेगा सर, वो रहेगा. एक क्विज से सर वो डिसाइड नहीं होता, वो रहेगा सर. So the last question before we wrap up the show, it's called, it's very simple. What is the official language of Rajasthan? The official language जिससे वो लोग वहाँ पे बात करते हैं. And one hint I can give you all, it's not the local language over there.
हरियाणवी.
क्या बात करो सर.
लोकल लैंग्वेज नहीं है तो.
Any option for you? Any
मारवाड़ी.
नहीं, that's why I say it's not the.
It's not the-
No. It's actually when you hear the answers, you're like यार ये दिमाग में नहीं आया, ऐसा लगेगा सर आपको.
संस्कृत वंस्कृत नहीं है ना.
हिंदी.
दिमाग में नहीं आया.
Sushant sir has the answer. It's a pleasure having all 3 of you on
Thank
the
you
show,
so
and I
much.
wish
It's
you
not
all
a
the best for
pleasure
us. Sir, एक quiz से ऐसा मत करिए सर, दिल टूट जाएगा.
हमारी बात लगा दी आपने.
And I wish you all the best for Rangbaaz फिर से.
Thank you.
And whatever projects you do, sir and ma'am, I
Thank
hope
you.
they are really, really successful. Thank you so much for being with
Thanks
us.
a lot. Thank you.
That's a wrap today at IWM. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sushant Singh,
Hi, this is Pruha Joshi.
Hi, this is Jimmy Shergill.
and you're watching us on
IWM Buzz.